So we started today's video with this contemporary inspired DIY table. So they are taking a bunch of canvases for this one. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I'm very intrigued to see how this is going to turn out because this is definitely something different. Oh, wow. Now, I was thinking that those were actually pretty small, but that came out pretty nice. It's a good size. Wow, very cool idea. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle. And on this channel, we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have another DIY table in the works. So we've seen similar DIY projects before where they make like the tables out of these items. Wow, very, very nice. Well, that looks amazing. So it looks like we have someone just spray painting a candle holder here. Adding some gold tape. This is like that pretty gold foil tape. Looks like they might be making some kind of vase. Oh, amazing. And this looks so high-end. Very cool. So then we have this lantern design. So we are officially in lantern season. So this might be a cool one to try out. I like using lanterns as like decor pieces around the home though. I just love them. Chain around the top for kind of like a bit of an edgy feel. That's definitely different. Have this wooden bead chandelier or the beaded chandelier. So they're doing it as a project with their kiddo. Cool, cool. Very nice, that came out great. And then we have this mirror transformation. So it looks like somebody just kind of moved in here or they're renovating. Ooh, wow, very nice. I'm actually quite inspired by this. This might be like a cool little weekend project I can do with my husband. Very cool idea. All right, so we have a DIY by Gloria. So this one involves some dollar store items. Candle holders, spray painted gold. Very nice. I love the floating candles. Another like high-end decor piece to add to your home. Right, so we have some old shutters here. So she's cleaning them off. Painting it. Oh, she made like a kitchen island. Wow, it's like a cute little nook. Oh, that is very clever. Very nicely done. And I like the pink stools. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.